Hey everybody, how you doing? Here we are, another day in Utah. It's a little bit chilly today, so I might not stay out too long. This will be a pretty short video anyways. I mentioned that I would do this video a while back. We're out here with the same Ruger American chambered in 5.56. It's a 1 in 8 twist, and I have my Form 1 suppressor on here, loaded with Subsonics. Hand-loaded Subsonics, I know. Very impractical, but we're out here seeing today if they stabilize and if they stay stable. So I've got some boxes set up at 25, 50, and 75 yards. I'll shoot those. I'm not going to go for grouping or accuracy. In fact, I'm going to try and spread them out on the cardboard so we can take a look and see if they're going in straight, or if we see any keyholing, it's indicative of tumbling or unstable bullets. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We'll do some shooting. I might put the camera down range a little bit later so we can see the actual impact, if you will. It'll only be maybe 9 bullets, just 3 in the front box, 3 in the middle, and 3 on the back, and we will go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, that first one sounded, it's hard to tell with the earphones on, but that first one sounded like it was supersonic, so that's fine. Those second two were fine, they sounded great. That was the first box at 25. I'm gonna move out to 50 now, and then we'll take a look. It is kind of windy today, and I'm not sure how much these drop or how much they're going to get pushed by the wind too. So hopefully I can hit this box. All 3 of those ones hit it. Obviously at 25, it's basically just off the front nose of the gun. Let's see if we can get this box. Yep. Ooh. That just sounds so. I don't know why I have these on. We were shooting the AR earlier, and I guess kind of just force a habit. So last one on this box, then we'll move to 75. That's just silly. Before we go to 75, we'll walk down and take a look at these and see if they're going in straight or not. Let's go take a look. I don't know if you can see me or if I'm in the frame or not. Here's this one. It's got the 3 perfectly round bullet holes in there. Very cool. Let's go take a look at 50. All right, here's all 3 holes. They look pretty good. At 50, I'll actually leave the camera out here. I'm going to take this same box. I'm going to just use the unused side. Take this same box, put it out at 75, and you guys can watch those impacts as they come in. Well, there you guys have it. 4 rounds. I put the last 4 in here, so I had a total of 10, so 3, 3, and last 4. I have more Subsonics, but that's for the next video, which will come out next week, hopefully. But that looks pretty good to me. I mean, they're all circular. I'm surprised at how accurate and little they dropped at this distance. You know, I was aiming not much higher than the fold here of that. So it dropped, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches on this box. But so, I mean, 223 is stable out to at least 75 yards when it's subsonic. Do with that information what you will. I don't know if that's useful at all, but it's fun and kind of, it's good for me to know. Maybe if I'm out shooting squirrels or something, or rabbits, I know that it's stable and accurate. I will probably develop some more, or at least make some more of those loads, maybe with a heavier projectile as well, so I can get a little bit more powder behind it. So it's a little bit more energy when it's hitting, you know, small game, squirrels, rabbits, you know, pest birds, whatever. Could be really cool. The next video is going to be seeing if it cycles in an AR-15. Again, that might come out next week, so stay tuned for that. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been really insightful. We'll see you next week.